Here we have a SAT math problem. Okay, let's go to the question. If f of x positive 1 equals to 5x positive k and f of 3 equals to 8, what is the value of f of 5? Okay, here we have to find the value of f of 5. Okay, for that we have to use the function given over here, but the given function is not complete because there is an unknown constant k over here. Only if I get the value of this constant k, the given function will be complete and I'll be able to get the value of this f of 5. Okay, how do we have to get the value of this constant k? For that we have to use this information, that is f of 3 equals to 8. Okay, first let me take this function as it is, that is f of x positive 1 equals to 5x positive k. Okay, here if I want to get the value of k, I said that we have to use this information. Here when I consider this particular stuff, we have 3 inside the parenthesis. Okay, when I consider the function over here, inside the parenthesis we have x positive 1. Okay, inside the parenthesis, if I want to get this 3 over here, what value should I plug in for x over here? I have to plug in x equals to 2. When I plug in x equals to 2, 2 positive 1 is 3. So then I can use this information over here. Okay, now let me plug in x equals to 2 into the function. Then I'm getting f of 2 positive 1. On the right side also, I have to plug in this 2 for x over here. Then I'm getting 5 times 2 positive k. Okay, here on the left side, we get f of this 2 positive 1 is 3. That is f of 3 equals to 5 times 2 is 10 positive k. Okay, here we have value for this f of 3, that is 8. We can plug in this 8 for f of 3 over here. Then I'm getting 8 equals to 10 positive k. Okay, now let me subtract 10 from both sides of this equation. Then this positive 10, negative 10 will cancel out. Okay, when I simplify the stuff on the left side, I'm getting negative 2. On the right side, we have k. Okay, here I got the value of k, that is k equals to negative 2. Okay, now what I can do is I can plug in this negative 2 for k over here. Then the given function will become f of x positive 1 equals to 5x. And for this positive k, we can plug in this negative 2. Then we get negative 2 over here. Now the given function is complete. Now we can try to get the value of this f of 5. Okay, here inside the parenthesis we have 5. So now I have to get some value for x over here so that this x positive 1 equals to 5. So what value should I plug in for x over here so that it is equal to 5? I have to plug in x equals to 4. So that 4 positive 1 equals to 5. So now let me plug in x equals to 4. Then I'm getting f of 4 positive 1 equals to 5 times 4 negative 2. So since we have taken x equals to 4, at everywhere we have to plug in 4 for x. Okay, f of 4 positive 1 is 5. And on the right side, 5 times 4 is 20, negative 2. F of 5 is equal to 20, negative 2 is 18. Okay, here I got the value of f of 5. Its value is 18.